Hey guys, it's me. Figured I'd make a video on my butterfly knives. Only have two at the moment. Trying to collect them. Be pretty cool. I figured I'd make a moment just to showcase them. Be like, here they are. They're pretty cool. I think they're pretty neat. Which the thing on that is focus. Let's let it focus. Come on. It ain't gonna focus. Anyways, the piece on that's broke, so it don't lock. Oh well. What can you ask for? I got it. Pretty neat. I'm still trying to learn. Blade on it ain't the best. Tip's kind of gone. Oh well. Kind of sharp. Kind of. Oh well. Well, anyways. Yeah, I got this one. It's pretty neat. It's got the lock. It's nice. I like it. It's kind of. It's not like the gold plate on it ain't actually gold, of course. Don't see why you'd think that, but the lock actually works. Blade is in not so well, but decent condition. It's got a few scratches, points there. It actually works. Mint condition. It's pretty neat. Now, there's something different about these. You know how on most of them you got the bite blade and the safety blade. Well, safety side, blue switches, that side and that side. This one, see where the lock is? You hold it on that side, you'll get clipped by the sharp part. So you gotta hold it on the side where the bite blade ain't. So, like that, and you won't get pinched. So, this one's a bit different. See? Here's the lock piece. If you hold it like the other one, you're going to get bit by the sharp end. So on this one, you got to hold it with that side, the lock. You won't get hit. So, yeah, it's kind of odd. Yeah, it's very confusing. Oh well. Well, anyways guys, I ain't posted in a while. I figured I'd post again. But honestly, I don't know where to go with this YouTube channel. I've got a computer. I need to get it finished because right now I probably need a monitor, probably need a new graphics card. But I'm trying. It's pretty neat. It starts up and stuff. But as soon as I get that finished, I will be posting more and more videos. So, I'm trying. I ain't got a lot of money, so I can't get a new camera or nothing like that, or I'd be vlogging and stuff like that. But, trying my best to make a new YouTube account. Ain't really going on much here. But, most reason I want to make new content and stuff, so I figured I'd show you my butterfly nose. So, yeah. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. Peace.